வணக்கம். நாளைக்கு the 10th of November we're having a webinar, a free live webinar on the topic learn the AAA method to speak English fluently. So the YouTube community post line நான் share பண்ணிருந்தேன். ஒரு ஷார்ட்ஸும் அப்லோட் பண்ணிருந்தேன். Some of you might be aware of it. So this is just a reminder for you to register for the webinar and attend it tomorrow. So in the webinar, I will be talking about the problems faced by you when it comes to speaking in English. Also about the solutions, more about the solutions. We will also have a live Q&A discussion where you can see it's in the Zoom meeting format, not the webinar format. So you can actually unmute your mic, you can turn on the video and talk about the specific problems faced by you when it comes to speaking in English. சில பேருக்கு எல்லாமே விஷயம் நல்லா தெரியும், எழுதுறப்பெல்லாம் நல்லா எழுதிடுவாங்க. So it's not about grammar, right? When you can write grammatically correct sentences, it's not about grammar. வேற என்ன? So that's what we are going to discuss tomorrow. Okay, so உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் இந்த வீடியோ ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோவோட டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல இந்த ஸ்பெஷல் வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்க்கு நீங்க ஜாயின் பண்றதுக்கு லிங்க் இருக்கு. So come there to the group where I will share the Zoom link tomorrow morning. Okay, right? Thank you. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Yes.